Good morning, everyone. Well, today I am tearing apart these little mat stacks that my daughter gave me, and I see one of them she got at TJ Maxx, and one of them is metallic, and it's a 4.5 by 6.5, and then this one here is obviously same size, and I'm not sure where that came from. I might find the back, I don't know, but some of them are metallic, and I'm thinking, what would I use those for? But sometimes when I die cut, I need a metallic, so I'm gonna save them for now. Some of the colors maybe I'll never use, and I might take them out later. There's some glitter papers, and then there's these other papers that are real pretty, and they're textured. And so what I did, I have this here that I keep like their actual scraps. And it's a bigger tub, and I've divided them like with little, I made like little folders. These ones I just made a front, and it's a smaller thing because the biggest ones I can put in here is like a 6 inch. These are smaller, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna put them in one of these. I had an extra one of these I wasn't using, so I made tabs with my tab punch, this one here. And so I've done every color, and so now I'm going to continue. I've just kind of been putting them in color order. Actually, this one has no order, but this one I have been putting in color order. And so I'm going to continue tearing these apart, and I just kind of grabbed whatever. So it's like, you know, my brown has dots on it, my orange has leaves, my green has flowers, but I'm going to continue tearing these apart, and then I'll come back and show you how well it's done. I do have some in here that are smaller. I don't know if she cut them for something or if they were from some kind of stack. I'm unsure. But this, because these are like all the same size, and these are all the same size. And then also, so these ones are textured, and then I do have the stack here that are printed, and some of them, oh, now this is like a winter stack or Christmas stack, and this actually I think is one I had, and so there's all different things in here. And I do have a Christmas stack, so I'll add to that. But like these here, these will be nice for die cutting, and or otherwise for using them for matting photos. So that's what I was going to put them in with my scraps, but there's no way that they're going to fit into that. So I'm going to continue tearing these apart, and then I'll come back and show you if it all fits. So I'll be back in a second for you. Okay, I wanted to give you an update. Okay, so I've got I had like a big stack of these, so I put all these in here. Kind of what, you know, if I seen this looked quickly, it looked like red to me. This looked like pink. Now there is some smaller ones, like I said, I didn't know if she had cut them up for something, but I thought these would work. They're like a, what is their size? It's a 3 by 5.5. So I could use it for a 3 by 4 photo if I trim down the photo a little bit. So I'm gonna put that in here, and I definitely will come over to here if I don't find what I want in the scrap bin. So, but I thought I'd leave these over here and see if I could use them as mat stacks. And then right now I'm just tearing apart this other little one that's got all these little patterns in it. And then it's got some solids too, like I love this yellow. So I'm gonna finish going through this. I do have a Christmas one, and then I don't know if I'll tear this apart, but I might, because I prefer looking through them torn apart. And then there was one that I tore apart, and it had like this kind, they're all sparkly. And these were the ones that definitely look like winter or Christmas. And then there was some that was just plain glitter that I put up here because there were other glitter ones in those other stacks. So I'm gonna finish doing this, but I kind of wanted to give you an update of where I was at, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I've got my scrappy scraps where they're, you know, little, or, you know, actually this one's kind of a big one, but it's like I would only use it for die cutting, I'm sure. And, you know, it looks like I have a lot of yellow here, but it's like sometimes yellows, oranges, and reds, I've had to actually just cut up like bigger pieces to get the color I want. So this will be nice having these extra color, you know, extra yellows. And there was reds in here, so it's like, I like that because sometimes it's like I like to have a pattern. And then there's a whole lot of yellows. And then is there some oranges? Or did I? Oh yeah, there's a few oranges too. So yeah, that'll be great having that. This here, I don't know if I want, because it does look very Christmassy. So I think I probably won't. I mean, this could be used for anything. As far as I can tell, yeah, it's just a dot. So I think I will leave it like this for now and stick it in the back of this if it will fit, because most of it does look very Christmassy. And so I can I'll just remember that it's this size since it's in this little tub. So I think that'll be good. Okay, so that's it for today. I've just been trying to, I've really been trying to declutter, put stuff away, because I've just had such a mess since the 30 days of sketches, and then I didn't accomplish much this month, but now I've been really working hard at it, trying to get it done, because we were gone at first, and then I had my granddaughter, so you know, then we had to play and make more mess. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I gotta go get my bacon. Bye-bye.